Smilebox folding beds provide every customer with the ultimate sleep experience. Stable metal frame, 1.5 memory foam mattresses with an extra soft removable cover, easy to use and safe to storage space. Every detail is applied to its extreme. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Our folding bed adopts a new structure, no tools are needed, and it takes about 5 minutes to properly install the bed to improve efficiency. At the same time, it is convenient to store and fold quickly to meet the needs of timely sleep. Number 2. High-density foam makes an ultimate sleep experience, which supports your head and neck to ensure comfort. 1.5 memory foam and 3.5 base support foam, which is Certipur US certified, and comes with a removable and washable cover. Number 3. The design of folding makes it perfect for you who are pressed for space but still have a need for a spare bed. When folded, locking wheels for safety, securing shut with an adjustable buckle. It's super compact, just 14 thick. Number 4. About the bed frame, we not only use high-quality and stable metal frame, but also add eco-friendly painting. The structure is strong and stable enough to hold approximately 220 pounds and so much more. What Amazon's customers saying? First customer is saying, "I'm prepping for my wedding and ordered this bed so we can host people when they come to town." This was a great buy. The assembly was quick and easy, no tools, took me less than 15 minutes with no help, and the frame is pretty sturdy. It looks thin, but it is firm enough to support you, yet soft enough to be comfortable. And I'm 6 feet and fit. I would recommend this product. Second customer is saying, "Wonderful. Very sturdy and well made. Easy to set up and put away. Slept very comfortably in twin." Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.